Want to know how to download all the photos from Messenger at once? You would want to download all the photos from Messenger at once as it is convenient and efficient than downloading photos one by one. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to download all the photos from Messenger at once. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Messenger app on your screen. Now open any chat. You tap and hold onto your photo until a menu appears. Likewise, you can see different options. Tap on the save option at the second. So this is how you can download all the photos from Messenger at once. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.